this is the day of my life with Paris and Mimpy. Mimpy! Paris! We're here at the Ocean Hill. Ito yung Manor Hotel. Ayan na, Manor Hotel. At natatudog sa Mimpy. Mimpy! Mimpy! Yes mo, Mimpy. Paris! Ayan. Tapos sa dalawang makulit na aso is Mimpy and Paris. And this is the Manor Hotel. Sarap ng weather, kalamig. And it's afternoon na. Wawak lang po kami dito. Wawak lang. Wala nang ganon tao kasi hapon na. Ayan, nagwawak-wak lang kami. Wow! Nagkatadudogs. Paris! Paris! Yan, pag gusto mo lang mag-unwind, yan lang. Tapos ito isa, si Mimpy. Ang buhay ko, ito lang. Minsan malungkot. Nakakalungkot na, pero kailangan enjoy lang life. Kasi na-realize ko, kailangan lang natin maging masaya, maging content. Minsan, to end my life. I'm so sad. Mimpy, siguro kung walang ito, lalo akong malungkot. Meron akong kasama pag malulungkot. It's Mimpy and Paris. That's the day of my life for today. Bakit na lang may Mimpy Paris. At I have Missy and Cypher. Yan, amay-amay lang. That's the day of my life for today. That was everyone. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Hindi ko naman po kasi sinashare yung YouTube ko. Tsaka hindi ko naman po ina-upgrade. Just enjoying my life while I'm alive. Yung masaya lang palagi. Enjoy. Enjoy life lang. Ayan naman order. Yan lang. Kasama ko mga dogi-dogi bobo. It's Mimpy and Paris. That's the day of my life. God bless everyone. Thank you.